What's up, global citizens? How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are all doing very good. Today, right now, this moment, I have something pretty exciting because I just received the MyHeritage DNA Kit. So I'm excited because I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I am like mixed, very mixed with different ethnicities. Literally, each of my grandparents are from a different ethnicity, and even with some of my grandparents, they're mixed within themselves. So there's a whole bunch of stuff going on in my blood, and I'm trying to figure out, like get to the bottom of it. So I'm excited to share it with you guys. I just received the MyHeritage DNA Kit right here. I'm gonna just, share the moment with you guys, open it up, let you guys know what's going on. And if you guys are interested in getting one as well, you guys obviously can do it, and you might get interested. So as we open this up, first things first, they say to, the first thing is basically like some instructions. The second thing is a swab. There's a swab in there. There's like, activate your DNA kit before sending back your sample. So they give you your activation code and stuff like that. So you got to go, first thing you should do, I guess, is activate that online. Then they have a biohazard little envelope with a cotton in there. And then there's the envelope to mail back. So you put your swab back in here, and then this is the mailing envelope you use to mail back to them. And then here is a little vial here to put your, DNA into so they can test it later. So I'm gonna put this down for a second. What I'm gonna do first, I think, is just, it's pretty simple, right? So take a swab, 60 seconds in one of your cheeks. You just rub it in the inside of one of your cheeks. You just rub it around for 60 seconds. So I'm literally just going to open this up. I'm not good at opening these little things. Oh, this is simple enough. Okay. So here's the swab. That's what it looks like, a little swab. All right, so I'm gonna pick, which cheek would have more DNA? Okay, I might just go with the left. I'm choosing the left. All right, here we go. Honestly, I think we're good. So we open up this vial here. Put this in there. And then there's a little black line right here. You just kind of snap it off. You just kind of, there we go. Snaps right off. Obviously you want to close back your vial. Make sure it's nice and tight. Open up the Ziploc bag that has a little cotton in there. It says biohazard on it. So that's the one you're going to be using. And then you put it kind of like, just rest it on the cotton swab. And then close that up. Put that into your envelope. And away she goes. That's it, guys. It's that simple. This took, I don't know, like 2 minutes. So that's done. I'm gonna go mail this off tomorrow, and when I get the results back, I will share them with you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with the results. Really excited to share these results with you guys.